Hello, I'm Lauren Strang and I'm a junior at Grand Haven High School. Today I'm here to teach you guys about density. So, density is the amount of mass per volume, m over v. And what that means is mass is a whole bunch of little particles, right? It's the entire amount of particles in a substance, okay? And how that relates to density is that if you see right here, these two shapes have the same volume, right? But this one has less dots in it, so it has less mass in the volume, so it's less dense. This one over here has more dots in it. It has more particles in the same amount of space, so it is more dense. The important thing to know is that the less dense material always floats. So if we were to put these two things together right here, if they were liquids, you'd see that this one floats on top of this one, and that's what we're going to demonstrate today. Alright, so we're going to find the density of oil and water. To do that, you have to know the mass and the volume. Luckily, I have a conversion chart right here that tells me 2 tablespoons is equal to 30 milliliters, which is why I already have these written down, okay? So now we have to find the mass of those things. So what we're going to do, we're going to place this on our scale, turn it on. Here we go. Alright, we want to make sure that when the bowl is on it by itself, the scale says 0. And we also want to make sure that the scale is in kilograms or grams, preferably grams. Okay, I'm going to set this down right here. And I'm going to pour my 2 tablespoons of water into here to get the mass. Alright, it's saying 33 grams, so I'm going to write that down. Remember, it's mass over volume, so I have 33 grams divided by 30 milliliters, okay? Time to do that for the oil. Again, make sure that when this is on here, it says 0. If it doesn't, you can hit the 0 button right there. Alright, now let's do our 2 tablespoons of oil. It looks like that was 22 grams, alright? So, we are going to write that down on our board. Now, if you have a calculator, go ahead and type that in. You do 22 divided by 31, or 30 rather, my bad, to get 0.73 grams per milliliter, okay? Now we're going to do the same thing for the water. 33 divided by 30 equals 1.1 grams per milliliter. Now, if we were to put these in the same glass, which we're going to do in just a moment, we know that the less dense one is going to float, which is the oil. So that's how you would determine it, guys. Please come back for our next video to see the oil floating in the water.